Good morning, guys. Here again today, under this bench here. I have a lot of parts that I bring in from mostly last year, guys, to my work van. And no time to change them. And parts them get worse under the front end now. So I want to see if I could start the weekend Sunday. Guys. Yes. So right now, I'm gonna open the box them. I'll see what I have inside of them and the condition, guys. Oh, guys, this it's a real heavy duty. Right there, lower control arm with the ball joint. You know, I see the pin and something else inside there. Yeah. So here, guys, this box, everything heavy on this van, guys. Everything heavy. This is two hub. Accumulate a lot of dirt, guys. Like I said, they was here long. Like I opened the wrong. Oh, it's from here. Okay. Let's see. It's some heavy duty stuff. Guys, it's some real heavy duty stuff, guys. Yeah. That is it. It's the hub, and I have two of them. I don't think size matter on these. Anyone, anywhere. Yeah. Positive arc. Guys, a little protection thing they come. They break up. These things heavy. It come with the ABS sensor, guys. And they even send it with the bolts, new bolts, guys, to bolt it back in place. Two shocks, guys. Two KYB. Two KYB for the front, guys. This is it. So, guys, the problem is the rain keep coming on and off. So I store those, two control arm, two shocks, and two hub. It's the manual for the shocks. So, guys, what I'm going to do is see if I get the van jack up right now. So let me put back that control arm in the plastic, just in case the rain stop me from doing it. But I have real vibration underneath that controller, underneath the front of the van, guys. And I know one of the bearing was bad from that time when I ordered these, and it was from last year. I think I purchased them last year about November or so. And now it's September 2025. And I purchased these 2024 November. So it's almost a year now since I have them. And I had bad bearing on one side, I think the right side. And I say I would have just changed the two hub, and from I have the van, I never changed the control arm or the lower control arm or the bushing. So it was cheaper to just purchase control arm instead of me buying bushing and ball joint. So I just buy the control arm complete two side. And the shocks I have on it is over 10 years. And I think the way they feel, they need a change. So I did purchase them as well. So when I do it, the only thing I'll have to change after that, I remember changing the upper control arm with that ball joint. So if anything bad, it should be just the inner and outer tie rod. Because I also changed the pitman arm and the idle arm. So, and that I changed round in at the same time when I discovered that the bearing was bad. So I probably just gone a year on those. So and that doesn't feel bad. It's just the vibration under the wheel, and I know it's from the bearing. And everything is a little ride hard because I think the control arm rubbers, they dead. Okay, so when we come back, I'll be jacking up the van. So see you guys then. Piece of wire. I also may need to tie up the caliper. So I think I'll have to loose it. Okay. That's that. Now I could just flip this around that now, guys. Take off the caliper. Okay. Brake pad them good condition, guys. You just need to clean up. All right. Hear that, guys? That's the bad bearing right there. Right side, bearing bad. Right. That is it, guys. That's it. Is. Yeah. Guys, that's the whole spindle with the caliper bracket and the hub all in one. So once I pull it off like that, guys, even if it's raining, now I could go somewhere and take my time to take it apart. This small figure, so this is the 24. Perfect. So if anyone want to know what fit is 24. Now I don't know if I have a 24 socket. Let me see if this will. So I need to go up to loose it. Is the whole thing turning or what? See if we find what fit round here, guys. 21. Try 19. It look like 3/4. I think so. And this is 18. Yeah, 17 doesn't fit. I don't have 18 here, but I could get a 18 out here and try it. Fit same way. So at least I know it move. Guys, I think let's see if I did catch it this way. I need to pull this side, catch it on this side. Going through this all over again. that one. Longest one for the front. Whoa. See guys, it's out. Now, what I have to do is match it with what I am going to put in. Now guys, did I just do unnecessary? But guys, I know I checked the bushing. I know they wasn't they didn't leak out. But what I said, the rubber is dead. They're in there with dead rubber guys, so it just make everything you bounce become rigid. See? The rubber's still good guys. So what I will do with these, I still won't dump them. Just in case, over time, the ones I buy is not as good, I could always just change the ball joint and put them back in. So, that is it guys. For the disassembly. Now, I'm gonna take a break, then I'll come back, try to put them back. Yes guys, good morning, as we back on it again. Guys, I already assembled back everything because it was raining like crazy yesterday, and we have all kind of wind guys, and it wasn't working with my camera, so I did just go ahead and assemble everything. But I was about to do my brakes. As you can see guys, I have new brake pad, but when I get to this side around here, yes guys, I see new brake pad for the front. I was changing them out when I realized I getting a lot of resistance on one of the caliper when I want to compress it. So I had to take it down and I fully take it apart. And the piston guys, that's how they look. They're supposed to be shine and clean, so that's why they couldn't move. They corroded. Right now I believe it's probably best if I purchase a new caliper, but I all the way in the Bahamas now guys, and it will be real expensive over here, so I have to order it online. I won't be able to get that for right now, so I gotta try at least clean up this one, because the next one I already assembled, so I only have problem with this one right now. I didn't do the box, but when I order, I think I'm going to try order for the 4-wheel, so I could change out all the caliper, because my brakes didn't finish guys. But I realized at some point my brake was feeling a little funky, so that's why I was changing the pads in the front, because I have them from long time. But then I realized it was the caliper is the problem, so I think I'm going to just purchase some new caliper and new brake line. So whenever I change the caliper, I'll put in new lines as well. These flex piece right here. So I'll buy for the 2 front and the 2 back. Hopefully they're not too expensive. Well, let me see if I could zoom in on the wheel so you guys could see. So guys, you could see the new control arm right in there. There's a new hub. Let's see if I turn the wheel around. Okay. And that's the new hub inside here, guys. And the shocks, guys, the shocks was good. A couple of years ago, I changed out the shocks and I did buy, what the name again? Palestine or something like that, Blestines. Something, but those yellow shocks, they are good brand, guys. So I think they couple of years old. Well, I have to check and see when I did purchase them. But they're doing a couple of years and they're still good. So I didn't bother to change them. I just changed out the control arm, lower control arm, and the hub with the bearing. And this side of bearing was still good, but I still changed it and put on the two new one. Because I don't want, after a couple months, then this one go bad and all of that. So, yes guys, let me see now if I could do some cleanup. This I'll try to show you the process which I use to clean them. You gotta use water sandpaper. So I have 800. This one is 600. So 600, 800, 400, and I have 320. So I try to clean them up with 320 first, guys. So I'm gonna fold it and rip a piece. Well, you want a straight edge, guys, so you can't rip it. Use water, guys. Because they're supposed to be smooth, guys, so they could slide on the seal. Okay, so using the brake fluid to lubricate the hole inside, guys. Also, these no, but you're gonna do them right round. You're edge band them right round. So I just make the decision when me assemble. Yeah. When the no, that's what you use, lubricate it to assemble it.
Oh, you don't clean it up?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Try put the seal them back now, guys. Please. So my recommendation, guys, is just buy a new one. But based on my situation right now, I need an emergency because I gotta use the fan for work. Press. Lego. Press. Lego. Press. Lego. Press. Lego. Press. Lego. Press. Lego. Yes, guys, so we finally get everything back together. And with that caliper yesterday, what was bad, I just put it back together just enough. That's the one right there. And what I did, I go ahead and I order 2 new ones because I realized the calipers have problems. So that one gave me a hard time yesterday to fit it back together. But I eventually fit it up back so I could actually temporarily drive. So it's working now. I fit it up and I bleed the brakes and all of that. And everything is good with it. But I'm gonna change it out as soon as the new one's coming. But at least hopefully they give me about 2 weeks to get sorted out with that to come in. So everything fully bolted up back, guys. Control arm in. It's the control arm right there. It's fully in. And bolt. The only thing is I didn't have enough grease to re-grease all my joints. So I probably grease them when the caliper come in and I switching them out. Or if I go out on the road, I will just go ahead and pick up a grease in the meantime. And if I have the time, I'll just change it out. So this is the next side here. Change out fully, bolt up and wheels back on, guys, and I have it up on the ramp. So, because one of the reasons why I have it up on the ramp, I don't like to lock the control arm in place with the wheels off the floor. So I put the wheels on, drive it up on the ramp, and then I fully tighten up the control arms. So that is it, guys. So whenever I receive the new calipers, I will do an update in the switching out. But that is it so far, guys. And look, guys, I can't work without the helpers. I underneath the van, they feel they need to be underneath here as well. I guess one in the house. Fluff? Come here, Fluff. Oh, you here to drink water first? I call you. You didn't know you're thirsty until I call you? Fluff. Come here. Come. Come. Bring the wrench. I didn't say come lay down, I say come. Two helpers, guys. Can't do anything without them. They have to be underneath here if I underneath the van fixing. It's like they come to pass me tools. Anyhow, guys, that is it. So I'll give you all an update when I receive the calipers. So stay tuned, watch where I go on.